Hello, this is Health TV. Have you been suffering from a persistent, dry cough that just won't go away? You might think it's just a common cold, but it could actually be cough variant asthma. Unlike typical asthma, cough variant asthma doesn't come with wheezing or shortness of breath. Instead, a dry cough is the main symptom, especially at night or after exercise. The main cause? Increased airway sensitivity. If left untreated, it can develop into full-blown asthma. How can you prevent it? Avoid triggers like dust mites, pollen, and cold air. And consult your doctor to start inhaler treatment if necessary. If your cough lasts more than 3 weeks, make sure to visit a doctor for an accurate diagnosis. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Thank you.